Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one is fitted with the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 and is part of our pre-owned inventory. Coming from a Challenger owner, everything is very, very similar. Those are a bit reclined. Nice floor mats. Really, really nice Alcantara inserts. There we go. That's how you do that. There, now it's even. Somebody's playing trumpet with a 370Z. All right. In the cabin, everything's really, really nice. A couple Jeep Easter eggs, like it says since 1941 here. Basic Uconnect system. So instead of performance pages for Dodge, you have off-road pages. Personally, I've never used that, so it'd be kind of cool. Alright, so you can see your steering angle, accessory gauges, pitch and roll. That's pretty cool. Now, let's leave it on that for the drive. That would be pretty cool to watch. Alright, that dimmed. Or not. Alright. Do have a manual mode where down is up. Thank you, FCA, for doing that. You do also have sport mode. Changes your shift points and stuff like that. Oh, it also tells you your altitude. That's pretty cool. I do like this whole center instrument panel. Really, really nice. Tons and tons of features. You can scroll through everything. You can have digital or analog speedometer. I personally like the digital, just makes it a little bit easier to read. But for those who like analog, it's there. Great amount of power from this Pentastar V6. Overall, it's really, really nice to drive. My mother actually has a 2011 Durango, so it all is very familiar to me because it's based on the same basic platform. Really, everything's really, really nice in here. Everything's soft touch that you can think of. These seats are super comfortable. No complaints at all. Brakes are excellent. FCA's always done a good job with their brake pedal feel. This is no deviation from that. Wow. Just the amount of power in this thing is crazy for the V6. And even after driving the SRT, it still feels remarkably quick. For those of you curious to what the horn sounds like, it's actually a lot of fun to drive. After driving the Wrangler a couple weeks ago, I either have to refilm that or it's just gonna let it slide, because when I tried to edit it with Premiere Pro, it deleted one of the original files in the progress of converting it to upload to YouTube, so the entire drive was gone. So it was just like a 2-minute walk around, and I was like, you know what, I'm not posting that. So I might refilm that one tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. But it feels, you can tell there's Wrangler DNA in this, and that's a compliment. Handling is actually really good. Not a ton of body roll. Oh, and onto our suspension test. Not bad. This is a really, really good sport mode. It's trying to put some of that SRT Jeep DNA in the V6. That's a pretty smart idea. FCA definitely does their homework on performance features. For those of you who don't know who FCA is, Fiat Chrysler America. They're the ones that obviously do Fiat, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram. they're the ones that do that. They also have Maserati, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo. So they do a lot. FCA is involved in quite a lot of automotive projects. On that note, I'll go ahead and wrap up the video by saying thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.